Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Maremi na hospital, Doktor ulafun ni kami jang bani thobun wan no Jingkieng, barun bam jami ringkat batka, Hindre hablapoy ke Jingkieng atel seju, lepenyang ke kali, ulami na kali, baru Kynthih Nalor Jingkieng syawa. Kani kelajah kanyo trik unaitung arajar arpusan hamambai trans harbor link. Kakin hun juki Coast Guard kidang wat yakamet jang haduk mentaru. Uniudu Doktor Omkar Kavitke utre haji hospital, ki Pulit kliok Jingtip yakani hakajuk kesngi, hakapor kendai sapulai minit, hakabaladan bepintip syaki, buudan uburu Kynthih Nalor Jingkieng syawa. Habaki Pulit ki poi hakani ke jaka, kilap beka kali ke penyeng, bat napok kali kilap beka iPhone, bat habaki wat banyak link bagi internet, ya ke nombor kali jong kilap beka deka kali jong ni Doktor. Doktor Kavitke ude ubala penteben, haka general surgery, laparoscopic surgery, bat haka proctology, bat udang penkre benlong kumunong hikai yaki Doktor. Ubat rumenta kumu General Secretary Jangka Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors. Ki Pulit kim shim lalap kinu ki Jingtho ki buun batai balai usyam ki Jingkieng lade, bat hadut mentaru kidang sa hak umdum bagi dang tokit balai boleh kumni.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.